Did you accidentally send a wrong photo to a group chat or a friend? Well, worry not. We're here to solve that problem. Hello, guys, and welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to remove photos that you accidentally sent or did not mean to send. So, let's begin. First of all, let's open the Facebook app. Then, on the top right corner, next to the bell icon and the menu icon, click on Messenger. Next, click on the group you want to send the message to. Now, let's select the photo. Click on Attach a file and select an image. Click Open. Once the image has uploaded, you can either hit Enter or click on this button to send it. But, you realize this photo is not the one that you had meant to share. What to do? Just hover over the photo, and while hovering, you will see something like these three dots next to the React button. Just click on the three dots, that is, More, and click on Remove. You will then be greeted by two options, Remove for you and Unsend for everyone. If you want to unsend for everyone, choose this option and click Remove. Well, guys, that is how you delete a photo from Facebook Messenger. Hope you liked this video, and for more content, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.